Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to edit packing slips on Shopify. To start this tutorial, open the Settings application on the lower left of Shopify. Make sure you open Settings. Once you are here, a pop-up will appear. And then, the next step is to scroll down and then look for Shipping and Deliveries. Once in Shipping and Delivery, the next step is to scroll down. Once you are here, look for Packing Slips, and then on Packing Slip Template, click on Edit. Tap the Edit button. Once you do that, you will now be redirected to another window. In here, it is the code for the Edit Packing Slip Template. For now, you can delete everything and then open another tab. Once you're in here, open another tab and then go to Google Searches and then use the search bar to search for Packaging Slip Shopify. And then in here, you can click on Best Packing Slip Apps for Shopify. You can start searching for them. Or you can click on help.shopify.com's Packing Slips for Shopify Fulfillment Network. Just click on it or click on the link. Once you do that, there will be a lot of step-by-step processes over here. Now, if you want your order notes to be displayed on the packing slip, then download the SFN Packing Slip Template text file. So all you have to do is click on the link and then you will open your notepad. Then all you have to do this time is to copy the code over here. Just click on Ctrl A on your keyboard and Ctrl C and then go back to myshopify.com. In here, over at Edit Packing Slip Template, all you have to do is paste it. And then, once you're satisfied, click on Save on the upper right. Once done saving, you can now preview your template. Once you click on Preview, you will now be redirected to another tab once again. And then, the other tab will give you a preview of your new packing slip. And that's how it should look like. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.